Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we have 5 different Hot Wheels 5-car packs with some awesome models to open up and take a look at. First, let's open up the coolest pack of them all. It's the brand new 2018 Nightburners 5-pack. At the top of this epic pack, our first car is the green Nissan 350Z. Next in line is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X. The little blue car is the 1985 Honda CRX. Now for some American muscle, we have the Dodge Challenger Drift Car. And to finish off this awesome Nightburners 5-pack, we have the SRT Viper GTSR. Our second Hot Wheels 5-car pack is the HW Metro set. This Metro pack includes the tow truck vehicle Repo Duty. Vehicle number 2 is the blue custom 1969 Volkswagen Squareback. I really like this mini semi-truck called Highway Hauler 2. The next Metro City vehicle is called Off Duty. And last but not least, we have a yellow taxi car with blue wheels called a Mazum. The third pack we have here is new for 2018, and it's called the HW 50th Anniversary Track Stars. This special pack includes a purple race car called Bifocal 2. Now this gray 50th anniversary model with the big wing on the back is called Loop Coupe. Our next car is a speedy green vehicle called HW40. This red car looks like it was built for off-road, and it's called Off Track. And this blue 50th anniversary car at the bottom is Scupa de Fuego. In honor of Jurassic World, our next pack is the Dino Riders 5-pack. The first dinosaur car that will be driving wild on the loose is called Fangster. This blue beast of a dinosaur is called the T-Rex Destroyer. The scaly looking creature in the middle is called Crocrod. Now we have some vehicles to pursue the dino cars. This one is called Enforcer. And the black armored truck at the bottom of this pack is the Dino Hunter Humvee. The theme of our final 5-car pack for today is Jungle Rally. At the top of the Jungle Rally pack, our first wild ride is Dogzilla. Next, we have a green and yellow mountain mauler off-roader nicknamed the Jungle Mauler. Here we have a Jungle Rally vehicle, which is the custom Ford Bronco. Model number 4 in this pack is a Red Bull Whip nicknamed the Jungle Whip. Our final 5-pack vehicle is Hoverstorm for taking over the jungle swamps. There we have 25 all-new Hot Wheels cars ranging from 5 different series of Hot Wheels 5-car packs. Let me know in the comments below which car of these 25 is your absolute favorite. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.